This is Adobe Premiere Pro CC free reverb effect tutorial.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
Want to learn how passive income works? Click the link down below. Simply put, highlight and select your audio track on the timeline. Go to the top left hand screen and type here under effects. Click the drop down arrow to access this free folder. As you can see, you want to drag this down below. Or you have a couple different options like so. As you can see, we have the studio and surround. Drag this on the audio track. Go to effects control, click on edit. And now right here, we're going to mess around with the different settings. It's currently on default, but I found that the last three are the best. And here's the before. Not too shabby. Go under to edit. We're going to mess around with all of these settings. Feel free to copy, drag everything to the right like so. As you can see, this is going to make this audio effect or this reverb sound absolutely insane. As you can see now, drag this to the right, to the left, and now this is not too bad, but we're going to make this sound even better. Go to effects, top left hand screen, type in the search bar like so, and drag this onto your audio track. Click on edit. This is what's really going to make the effect pop out, or the reverb. And simply put, I'm dragging some things to the left and to the right.